Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm just about to cut this little piece of plank up here. I was thinking, you know, if you're a carpenter and you use one of these things, wouldn't it be fun if you could actually have one that looked like it was made from wood? Wouldn't that be fun? Well, my friends over there at Richard Brothers, Ribrosco if you like, they must have been thinking along similar lines, because they have recently introduced this little fellow here. It is the DTA-W. An interesting design. It comes in several different sizes. You can get it in 3 meters, you can get it in 5 meters like mine. There's a 7.5 meter version, 8 meters and 10 meters too. It is aimed, the DTA series is aimed at professionals, so if you like something that's long lasting and hard wearing, this is your guy. It's a carbon steel blade, like all of their tape measures, carbon steel blade. It is a nylon coated for longevity as well. I think you can get it in either like this one here, this was a metric, you can get it in imperial as well. And it has this interesting ABS case to it. It doesn't feel much like an ABS case. This one's ABS. This one here is also ABS. But this one actually, it's got the wood design to it. It does actually feel just like wood to me. It's an amazing effect what they've got here. This coating on here, as I say, it looks very much like wood, and it feels like it too. And I don't know how they've managed to accomplish that, but they've done a very good job of it too. I mean, look at the bottom here. Look, you've even got a knot in the piece of wood here. Look, and the grain. They've got it down to treat. Actually, it's a really good finish. I quite like it actually. So if you're a carpenter and you want a wood style tape measure, get one of these. This particular one is marked as Sonopo. I have another one here that's got their own name on it, Ribrosco. If you order enough of these things, you can have whatever label you want on here. So you can have like an OEM or ODM. You can original equipment manufacturer, or you can have the original design manufacturer on there. Whichever design you want on there, they will do it for you if you order enough of these things. Around the back here we have a nice strong pocket clip. We have the usual lock button at the front here, so you can lock the tape wherever you want it. It locks it very firmly too. It rides in and out very nicely. I like that. Very smooth. Nice return too. And we have the little there's a little shock absorber at the back just here to catch it when it comes back. So it rides in and out smooth. Let's see how easy it is to deploy the blade, shall we, guys? On this occasion I've opted to come outside and have a go with the tape. It's 5 meters, so you can control it very easily just with your finger there. So I'm at about 1.5 meters here, or you can lock it with the button as per usual. Let's just carry on deploying the blade out here. It's folding up a little bit. This is 19 millimeters wide, this particular blade, but we've got to there we go, and it says stop as well. Also mentions stop on the blade. Hopefully you can see that there, so you don't pull it out too far. And that's at 5 meters worth there, guys. Okay, right, I've just smoothed it out a little bit there, guys. So let's have a look, see what it's like at returning the blade. There we go, quite nice. Had to pull it back a little bit because I think it hung up on some of the slabs down there. But yeah, it deploys and returns very nicely indeed. Okay, so as I say, we have a 19 millimeter wide carbon steel tape measure here. As you can hear, it's quite robust. It'll be nylon coated, I would imagine, just like the rest of their tape measures are. Now we have the riveted hook here, which moves about, as you can see, so you can get the correct measurement from either this end or from measuring from under here. The hook is used to measure like so from an edge. As you can hopefully see, it will also move once you butt it up against something, like so. So you get the correct measurement both ways of using it. I'm not sure how they managed to get this wood finish feel to it, because it certainly doesn't feel like ABS like this one here. This is a smooth ABS finish, and a very tough one too. I've dropped this one a number of times and it's still okay. It hasn't cracked the casing at all. So how on earth they managed to get the how they've got this to feel like wood, I really don't know, but it really does. It feels like a highly polished wood finish, and it looks like it too. So we have a nice strong pocket clip here, so you can clip it to your pocket, or we have a wrist strap too, so if you're using this thing at a height, shall we say, up a ladder or something, you know, you're not going to accidentally drop it. I take a large size in gloves, and as you can see, I can get the wrist strap over my hand quite easily. I would say that my late father would really have appreciated this. I think he would rather have it in the Imperial, but he would have really appreciated this tape measure, because he was a carpenter by trade. So I think he would have quite liked to have a wooden a wooden tape measure like this. I think he'd have been really interested in this one, to be honest with you guys. I quite like it. It's very nice. Okay guys, let's just thank my friends over there at Richard Brothers of Ribrosco for sending in this brand new DTA-W, the very nice wood finish ABS bodied 5 meter tape measure. Thank you very much guys for supporting the channel. There we go guys, that's my review of the DTA-W, this very nice wood finish. I say, if you're into carpentry, you are a carpenter, you know, this sort of thing would be quite interesting to have, I think. It's very ergonomic to use as well. You've got this nice little bit under here to put your finger under. It's easy to operate the controls on it. The tape comes in and out very smoothly indeed. I don't think I've ever seen such smooth tape measures as these ones. But yeah, very nice. Strong pocket clip, nice wrist strap. Interesting finish. Does actually feel like highly polished wood. You wouldn't believe it, but take my word for it guys, it does. It does feel like wood. Interesting finish there, I like that. I like it quite a lot actually guys. Alrighty guys, so I'll put some links down below to Richard Brothers, the website, and the product page for this little fellow here. As I say, it is available in 3 meters, 5 meters, 7.5, 8 and 10 meters as well, and they'll all be bigger bodied. This is a 10 meter size. You can see it's a lot bigger. I hope you enjoyed this review. Leave us some comments down below if you've got some questions maybe. If I'm not too busy, I'll try to get back to you, but certainly leave me some comments. And say, if you're a carpenter, you might very well be interested in owning a tape measure that's made from wood, shall we say. A really nice finish on it. I do like it a lot. So thank you very much to Ribrosco for sending it over. Thank you very much. Well, thanks for coming over to Rathbone Manor once again. Thank you to for the support from Richard Brothers. Hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you laters.